What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here to show you a very quick tutorial on the song, which is something like Joe Blazey. I actually forgot the name. There's a lot of song, man, so it's happened sometimes. Never mind, we got the keyboard on the third fret. I have covered most of the song from his album, so make sure to check them out, and I'm just gonna make a playlist soon. Never mind, let's have a look at the chords. The first chord will be a F major, which is 1 3 3 2 1 1. Keep on third fret, make sure. With that, the chords are super simple. F major. If you find it a bit hard, make sure to play it like this, which is mute mute 3 2 1 1. You can even check out my channel. I got one video on how to master the bar chord. Then you have C major, which is mute 3 2 0 1 0. Very basic chord. Every one of you know. D minor, mute open second second first open. And the D minor, which is mute mute open second third first. Nice and easy, you can play it like this, how you want. So have a look at the chord progression. It will be a F major to a A minor, then a D minor, then a C. Now the string pattern will be like this. So what I'm doing, the chord progression is, I told you, F, A minor, D minor, C. But what I do is, on each chord, I do 2 down. And after doing 2 down, I keep my hand on the string to get the sound of the chord muted. So I got muted, muted. And after muting that, I keep my hand on the string. So my hand is still on the string. It's completely muting all the string from ringing out or buzzing out. So 2, and after you keep your hand, you're just gonna do 1 2 3 4. Your hand is over there, you're just doing some fake strums or getting some muted sounds over there. So it's like, you can even use your left hand with which you're actually playing the chord, doesn't matter, but you need to get the sound. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. So easy. So when you get everything muted, it doesn't matter whether you're holding the chord or not. So let's play down down, then 2 3 4 on each chord. Sorry. And that's almost everything you need for this lesson. So if this helps you out, make sure to drop me one of these. Subscribe, because I just want to reach 2,000 subscribers as fast as possible. And yeah, I'm just gonna do something special about that. And I'll see you guys back in the next video. Got a lot of songs to cover. Bye.